Isa namang recipe galing sa pinamili natin sa palengke today. And ito yung bangus, napakalaking bangus. And first and foremost, titimplahan natin para maging malinamnam yung ating bangus. Ang lulutuin pala natin ngayon ay tochong bangus. Alam mo yung tochong bangus? Ano bang meaning ng tocho? May meaning ba yung word na tocho? Pero ito, alam ko, it's a dish na bangus na may sauce siya gamit ang tahure. Mamaya, papakita ko sa iyo yung tahure. Ito lang, oh. Maggi. Yan, pati sa likod. Ito siya, ang ating bangus is already scaled and deboned. Yan, sa likod. Yan, oh. Yan. Rub natin siya. Yan, ang ating bangus. And habang yung ating bangus nagmamarinate, maglalagay tayo ng oil. Piprituhin natin yung ating and we will slice our calamansi. Yan. Yan. Ewan ko sa inyo. Yan, lalagyan natin ng konting cornstarch. Spread out lang natin yung cornstarch, no? Konting starch. Para mamaya, kakapit talaga yung ating sauce. And ito yung way natin para hindi masyadong tumalsik yung ating fish habang piniprito. Let's go. And now, let's fry our bangus. Yan. 1, 2, ready. Slowly. Yan, no? Oh. So, ito yung tahure. Hindi siya Betamax, ha? Baka isipin mo yung blood to. Hindi to blood. This is tofu na fermented. So, ito siya salted and fermented for a few days, a few weeks. And tingnan mo, pag slice mo, pati sa loob nagiging brown na siya. At pag tinikman mo siya, which titikman ko, medyo meron siyang salty na malinamnam. So, we will just dice our tahure. And ito yung secret din na ingredient na ginagamit sa paggawa ng humba. No? So, this is a Chinese ingredient. Meron din ganito na mapula na sold in bottles na in the Chinese store. Pero ito siya, Philippine version siya, palengke version. Yan. So, ito itatabi natin to. So, very simple, pero masarap tong ating lulutuin. That's the tahure. Then luya, ginger, which we will dice. Let's just dice our tomatoes. Gagawin natin medyo masaucy itong ating tochong bangus. And ito, di ba? Very popular to sa mga Malabon area. Pero sa iba, hindi naman to kilala. This is an old recipe na is not very popular anymore ngayon. Baliktarin natin yung ating fish. Are you ready? Can we make baliktad beautifully? Let us try and see kung kaya ng powers natin na hindi masira yung atong bangus. 1, 2, ready? Oh! Yan. Kaya. Yan. Oh, kinaya natin. Yan. Ready and beautiful. Ating bangus is yan, transfer. Yan. Yung excess na oil, tatabi natin. Yan. Oh. So ito, nakita mo yung oil natin, may natitira ditong konting cornstarch. Iiwan natin yan dahil that will also thicken our sauce. Yan. So now, kukuha ko ng onions. Hindi ko ubusin to kasi may gagawin pa tayo later. So onions, siguro isang malaking onion or dalawang onion. Then meron tayong minced garlic. Then lalagyan na natin yung ating tahure. Look at that. The tahure. And we will mash it as we cook. Lalagay din natin yung ating black beans, tausi. Yan o. Let that cook. Remember, maalat yung dalawa ha. Hindi na tayo mag-aasin dito. But it's going to be nice because it's savory. Yan. At para sa inyo na hindi pa nagsusubscribe sa Simple.ph, please subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. And also follow us in all our other social media accounts. And gisa-gisa natin. Now, lalagay ko yung ating luya. Ginger. And we will add our kamatis. So, ito na yung maging base ng ating sauce. And, ito, lalagay ko ng konting sugar to balance, no? Alam mo sa Philippine cuisine, usually kasi napapag-usapan natin at pinagkaka-interesan natin matutunan, yung mga classic, yung mga traditional. Eh, yung mga hindi masyadong kilala, nakakalimutan, no? Parang dinededman na natin. And this is one dish na masarap and very few people cook it at home unless may nagluluto pa sa inyo ng mga lola. Diba? Tingnan mo na, ang ganda na ng texture ng ating sauce little by little as the tomatoes become mushier. And ito, dadagyan natin ng konting suka, vinegar, and para dagdag dinamnam, we are adding oyster sauce. Noong unang panahon, wala namang oyster sauce eh. Diba? Parang recent lang siya na naging uso ang oyster sauce na may mga local na brands. Then I will add a little bit of black pepper. And agdagan ko lang ng water, konting water ha. Then let that simmer. Adding a bit of sugar para lang mag-balance yung flavor. Yan o. Very nice, very saucy. Para sa kanin to. Yan. And in the meantime, meron tayong kinchay. So, ang kinchay dito, binili natin sa market. And we will just chop this into small pieces. Masarap din to ng konting maanghang. Lagyan natin ng konting sili. You don't mind? Sige. So, eto siya. When you're cooking at home, you adjust to the taste that you enjoy with your family, di ba? Kung yung pamilya mo mahilig sa maanghang, damihan mo ng sili. Kung hindi na mahilig, huwag mong lagyan. Or there's no like standard to follow. Yan o. Sili. And I think lalagay ko na tong kinchay ko para mag-infuse ng flavor. And eto, you can pour this over. Pero yung gusto kong gawin is lulutuin ko siya sa sauce. Slide. And we will braise our bangus in our tocho sauce. Yan. And that is done and we're now ready to plate. Saucy, saucy, delicious. Yan. Very hearty. Ito siya, makanin na ulam. And add the sauce on top. And lalagyan na natin ng konting kinchay on top. You can chop it, but I'm just like sprinkling like kinchay leaves on top. You can also use wansoy or cilantro. And that is our dish today. Ang ating tochong bangus. Try it at home. See if you like it. Pero give it a chance. Diba? And for a final finish, konting patak lang ng sesame oil. And it will bring all the flavors together. At ayan na. Ating tochong bangus. Ihanda na ang kanin kasi kakain na tayo. Ito na. Perfecto. Malasa. Diba? Ito magandang bangus o yung malaman na malaman. No? Ayoko na yung maliliit na bangus. Kailangan natin ng sauce. Yung tocho. Malinamnam. Masarap siya. And our recipe for today, tochong bangus, a blast from the past, simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.